You can make something out of your hands and it can last a lifetime. And that's what we specialize in. We specialize in handmade miniatures.
We are here in the quaint little hamlet of Clinton, New Jersey. This place is so picturesque, perfect home for Karen's dollhouse shop. We're gonna pay her a visit. She makes custom dollhouses. It's like construction, but on a much different level, down to the smallest detail.
People are drawn to miniatures. Think about it. You know, you have a little miniature bunny. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You know, it's just like that.
Oh.
Wow. There's so much joy and reward when you create something with your own hands.
Hey, Karen, how's it going?
Welcome, George.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
So nice to be here. What a feast for the eyes.
We are just a miniaturized version of home repair, and we do everything from wallpaper removal, carpeting, flooring, roofing, siding, electrification. We do everything except running water.
I brought my tools. I heard you
Thank
have a
you.
roof repair that you need to do.
Yes, we do, but you might need these tools to work with instead.
Gotcha. Size appropriate. All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Wow, there are so many different style houses that you have here. I feel like every house that is on any street anywhere in America, you have replicated here in your shop.
No two houses are alike in the store.
Right.
I try to do one-of-a-kinds, or we try to be creative with what we have. Sometimes we take a kit, we'll build it, and we'll make it our own.
I saw when I was walking in that you have all the different seasons too. So like
Yeah.
when the seasons change in real life, they change them in the dollhouse as well.
They do, and they decorate for the holidays.
Yeah.
The holidays are big because in real life, just like in miniature, we like to decorate and celebrate. So it's an extension of yourself. So if you love to make gingerbread men in real life, you like to make them in miniature. What's your favorite meal, George?
I'm a kind of a dessert guy. I mean, I kind of eat dessert first. I shouldn't. Look at this ladyfinger cake. The little strawberries, the chocolate, the ladyfingers, the bow, the detail. Oh, so this is the pub, the Red Lion.
Yes.
I feel like I've drank at a Red Lion at some point in my life.
We have to turn this around so I can show you what's inside.
Okay, let's see it. Oh, wow. Wow, this is the next level. We have graduated from the house. We're now in the mansion.
Yeah.
You got the chandeliers and
Yes.
like real antique furniture.
Some of the items that we have are vintage or antique. So we do have some items that are at least 100 years old or more. We also have something from a collection from the 70s or 80s, as well as new items.
Hello.
Hey, Emma.
Hi.
It's truly a family affair here, right?
It is, yeah.
I love that.
This is a family business. I learned everything from my grandmother. And today I work with my husband, Andrew, my daughter, Emma, and my son, Adam, and sometimes my younger daughter, Sophia.
Your mom was pointing out these chairs, like each one obviously hand carved.
Do you want to hold one?
Sure, why not? I feel like it's like holding a newborn, but why not? You know? So how long does something like this take to make? Probably it takes as long to build this as it would to build the actual chair.
Exactly.
You know?
Yeah, we often find that. So this dollhouse was brought to us without a roof, as you can see.
Yeah, all right.
It's in need of some love and repair.
All right, let's put the roof on.
What's special and different and unique about dollhouses is that people will keep them even in their dilapidated state, and they'll bring it in here and we'll restore it and bring it back to life, and it gets passed down to the next generation. Their children and their grandchildren get to enjoy it. Money can't buy that feeling at all. Looks fantastic.
I'm trying. I'm giving it my all. Really, Karen, Emma, Andrew, the whole family, everyone here at Karen's. What an experience.
Thank you
what
so
you
much.
guys do is so cool. It's so unique.
Thank you. Beautiful job.
Yeah, well, you know, it's a work in progress.
And this is for you, George approved.
Guys, check this out. A little portrait of me to hang in my dollhouse. Guys, how do people find you if people are looking for Karen's Dollhouse?
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok at Karen's Dollhouse Shop.
And they do it all, big to small, inside, outside. It's incredible. If you know other cool people who are doing stuff with their hands, please let us know in the comments. Until next time, much love, my friends.